If you want to switch your personal Instagram profile to professional account, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. Instagram Professional Account Mode offers creators and businesses specialized tools for growth and analytics. It provides access to detailed insights about followers and post performance, content scheduling options, promotional tools, and contact buttons. Users can choose between business or creator accounts based on their needs, with both offering professional features while remaining free to use. To activate it, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. Then tap here on Switch to Professional Account. Press Next, choose any category that describes your business, and press on Switch to Professional Account. If you are a business owner, then you will select first option, but if you are a creator, then you will select this second option and will press on Next. Next. Here we will complete these 6 steps and our Instagram Professional mode will be activated. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.